Hi everyone, it's Succulents Box here. With Christmas knocking at our doors, it's no better time to learn about an iconic succulent of this most beautiful time of the year, the Christmas cactus. You must keep this succulent away from direct sunlight, vents, and other heat sources. It's a good idea to move the plant outdoors in an area of indirect sunlight in the summers. Direct light can cause growth problems and burn the leaves. During fall, around mid-October, limit light exposure to 10 hours and allow the plant to remain in darkness. Keep it in an unlit room for 12 to 14 hours to allow a dormant stage. This dormancy encourages bud development. Once the buds form, move the plant to an area of indirect sunlight to help it bloom. Combine 3 parts potting soil and 1 part sand and use this potting combo for planting the succulent. You can also use 1 part potting soil, 1 part perlite, and 2 parts peat moss as an option. This plant needs feeding 2 to 4 times a year. The Christmas cactus, unlike other cacti, requires above average humidity. You can place a saucer of water next to the plant to maintain humidity from 50% to 60%. Another method is to fill a container with gravel and half fill it with water. Place the cactus pot on it, but ensure that the water itself does not reach the pot. Otherwise, the roots would rot because of too much water. Check the humidity levels with a humidity meter to be on the safe side. Christmas cactus need to be hydrated more than the average cactus, or otherwise the buds will drop. You can water the plant if the top inch of the soil is completely dry. You can water the soil directly or try the soaking method. Do mist the plant as it absorbs water through its leaves. Stop watering in October and water sparsely in November in case the soil is too dry, but do not saturate the soil with water as that can shock the plant and cause buds to drop. Stop watering the plant when it's blooming, Christmas time, and let it rest for 6 weeks. When you notice new buds growing, then you can begin watering as usual. In summers, the temperature can be from 65 to 75 degrees. However, cooler temperatures are necessary in the fall and winter months for blooming. Christmas cactus is thermoperiodic, which means it needs alternate warm and cool periods to trigger the growth and flowering responses of the plant. That means the plant buds need equal amounts of day and night length, no artificial light even, in mid-October for several weeks, for 6 to 8 weeks at least. Temperature fluctuations can affect the succulent drastically. The temperature should be maintained around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and the plant should never be exposed to cold temperatures, otherwise the buds will drop early on. That's it for today. We hope this video is helpful to you and have yourself a holly jolly Christmas. See you guys next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok.